Hello and welcome to a beautiful day in Wicklow. I'm down at a new spot here that I haven't been to quite some time. It's probably 2 to 3 months since I was here because during the summertime there was practically no water up here, and that's kind of half the problem when you go panning during the summer. Now because it's winter and because we've had quite a lot of rain, there's a good bit of water up here. So one of the things I'm going to be doing today is going to be setting up the dream mat. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the setup here today. So this is the river. You can see where it's a lovely little S-bend. Further on down, it's a straight river. Further back up, it's a straight river. But along here, you've got this beautiful S-bend. In along there would be good for gold. There, especially this gravel bar. The gravel bar is going to be the first place I'm going to test. So, let's go find the shiny. Okay, so I checked the bucket. We've got about half a bucket of 1/4 inch, half a 5-gallon bucket. So that'll do just to get us started. So this is the dream mat. I probably showed you this one before. I made this sluice myself. It's literally just only 1/2 mil steel and I just folded it around. It wasn't even that hard to make. I did actually have a flare extension on it. The problem was that it was quite sharp and it wasn't, to be honest with you, it wasn't really doing anything. But with enough flow here, we should have no problem setting it up. So what we're going to do now is just going to set this up in the river and then I'll give you a closer up view of it in action. Yeah, that's running perfectly. What I'll do is we'll always make sure there's a bit of water in the material as we throw it in. Okay, so we've ran pretty much an entire 5-gallon bucket here at 1/4 inch through the dream mat. So now what we're going to do is the clean out. Cleaning out this sluice is super easy. So the first thing we're going to do is just put the bucket below the end, just in case the levels get it wrong. We don't want anything washing out. Well, generally with a dream mat, nothing ever washes out. In order to clean out this particular sluice, I have a set of wing nuts in the back here over some discs. And what I'll now do is just simply undo them. I don't have to take them off fully, just simply undo them for the pressure. Same on the other side. Perfect, now we'll just turn around. And now we can you can see the mat just easily falls straight out. So what I also want to do is wash off this material here. Just for anything that got caught underneath. And we can now see the sluice is now completely clean. So what I'm now going to do is just make sure the dream mat is clean. So you can see where there's still material in the cells. So what I'll do is, very gently, flip it upside down inside the water. And that's literally all you're doing, it's just that action underneath in the water. Yep, and you can see the cells are 100% clean. I've managed to work it down to the very small stuff, and now it's time to see if all our hard work paid off. So I haven't actually panned this out yet, so I'm rather hoping that there's something decent in here. So because it's only a small amount of material, I'm just going to tip out a good bit of water here. And just, we've only ran about one full 5-gallon bucket, so I'm rather hoping there's something in here. Oh, and I think I saw something there. Hold on. Oh, now that's a good pan. Hold on, I'll turn around the other way so you can see that. Gee, that is a very good pan. And considering this place is just simply the drain at the side of a road, frickin' hell, there must be at least 7-8 colours in there. A lot of black sand as well. See, is there anything else underneath? Oh, look, more gold here as well, look, along here. Oh, now that is a nice pan. Right, I think the next step is, for the next day, is I'll set up the other sluice. But I'll tell you what, I know where I'll be digging next time. See you again later. Bye-bye.